How to grow plants indoors and outdoors.
Follow me to see.
Most flowers, trees and fruit trees can be planted outside the garden. Peony flower, Chrysanthemum, balcony with plenty of sunlight, suitable for growing flowering and trailing plants. Triangle plum, a brighter place near window for foliage plants that do not require strong lighting. Tulip, a corner of the living room far from the window can be planted with extremely cold tolerant foliage plants. Foliage plants. Want to make the indoor shade also have a green effect? Place some cut flowers